video, we're going to assume that theta is a positive acute angle and that we are given that the cosine of theta is 45 over 53. It wants me to find the sine of 2 theta. So I know that this is a double angle because it's multiplying the 2 by the theta. What I really need to do is just figure out which formula it matches up for. So I'm looking for this structure in the formula. So I notice that these are all addition subtraction. These are multiplying by 2 and these are 1/2. So I'm going to use the multiplying by 2 and I'm going to use this formula right here. But I also noticed that I need the cosine. So I need the cosine and the sine. So I'm going to figure out the sine. I have the cosine. I need the sine. So I'm going to use the triangles of theta. Cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus 45 squared equals 53 squared. I'm going to do this kind of all at one time, and I'm going to put it into Desmos at once. So I know that I'm going to do 53 squared minus 45 squared in Desmos. So 53 squared minus 45 squared. So 784, and then I'm going to take the square root of that to finish off my Pythagorean theorem. So I know that it's 28. So what was it? It was 784. And then you take the square root of both sides and you get 28. So I know that that's 28 right there. All right, so now I'm ready to set up this formula. So it's sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. So I'm going to substitute in. My sine of theta would be the opposite 28 over the hypotenuse 53. And my cosine they gave me is 45 over 53. And then I'm going to simply just put it into Desmos and multiply that out for me. And it'll simplify the fraction. So 2, and then we're going to do 28 over 53. And then we're going to do 45 over 53. And again, I want my answer in a fraction, not a decimal. So I'm going to hit that little toggle button. So 2,520 divided by 2,809. 2,809, and that would be my final answer.